So one of the first things we're going to do when we actually start building our site or blog on WordPress is we want to install a theme. This is where a lot of the web designers come in play. If you would ever want a custom theme design or want someone to build your website for you, please visit our website www.hoskey, Hoskey, which let me just pull it up here real quick for you. And we actually build custom WordPress templates for you to use. So you can go to this website, contact us, find out what we do. There's me, there's my business partner. You'll also learn a whole bunch about us here. So just if you have any questions on the actual building or want someone to do it for you, please let us know. If not, I'll show you how to install a preset theme into your website. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Appearance and we're going to hit Themes. And what this is going to do is it'll show you, right now I'm using the Aldous theme. Your website probably looked like this when it was installed, or put this in here, because it naturally puts a theme up. We're going to want to install our own theme and then put it in here. So I can search by keywords, or I can search by certain things. So say I want a black theme, or I want one for photo blogging, or I want this or that. I can click through these and I'll organize it. I'm just going to hit Find Themes so I can see them all. So we're going to see everything here. And there's 1,042 themes to pick from. You can search from featured, newest, recently updated. What you do is you just scroll down through here. And I'll say I like this one. I can click it, and what it's going to do is it's going to show a theme preview over here. This is going to have some information that you're just going to be able to see. Now, if you were wanting to actually see the site, what you could do is we could go over here and we can install it and put it on our site. So it allows us to see all that different information. So say let's go back and I can keep scrolling through. So once I find one, and remember you can always adjust little things around here, but say I want to preview this one. It's going to pull it up and it's going to show me the preview here. So I can go through and I can see it's going to have this over here, it's going to look like this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to search until I find one I like. And then once I find one that I like, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit Install. And different themes will have different features. This is something you're going to have to spend some time with and look through and decide exactly what you want your blog to look with. And also remember, once you install one theme, you're not stuck to it. You can go to another one, but you're going to have to do a little bit of edits on the website because every theme is not the same. So here's what it did. It says downloading, unpacking, installing, successful. If it says unsuccessful for some reason, go back through the same process and do it again. I can go to live preview so we can see what it's going to look like. So this is my blog that you just saw, which was right here. This is what it looks like right now. And this is what it looks like with a live preview. So it's going to look a little different. And you'll notice it's not the same information. It doesn't look the same. And that's because we've switched themes. So what I would do if I really wanted to install this, I'd hit Activate. And Activate would actually launch it live on my site. If not, it's still going to look like this. And this one we're using for an example once again. So if I say I didn't want to install it right this second, but I want to see where they're at. Now, since I've installed it onto my hosting site, it's going to be here. And all I'm going to need to do is go down here and hit Activate, and it'll pull it up right away. So that is how you find a theme, install a theme, and then what you're going to want to do, and we're going to do this in the next video, is you're going to want to customize it. You're going to want to put in the basic information, and I'll show you how to do that and a few other things. So that is how to install and pick a theme for your WordPress blog.